Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to Tommy's Gaming Channel. I'm your host, Tommy KM. In today's video, what I would like to talk to you guys a little bit about, in today's video, I would like to give you guys 5 other reasons why I love playing the Division. And I know tonight I was planning to do a YouTube live, but I'm going to postpone it to tomorrow, to like whenever I wake up, because that'll be a lot more better because how busy today's been. Like, I gotta tell you guys something. Now, another thing also, which I gotta tell you guys, also is that you guys got so many different areas in so many different times that you guys would love to play your favorite game. Now, I know everybody likes to play Grand Theft Auto. I know a lot of people likes to play like the Division 2. I know a lot of people like to do that. I understand why. And the biggest thing that I gotta tell you guys is also it's just depending on your guys' mood. I understand that. But right now, the main game that I'm playing right now, which is really good, and I think this game really does intrude me on like trying to be careful, like taking cover, like trying to find out better circumstances and trying to find out several different areas and looking around at those. Now, another thing also, which I gotta tell you guys, and the biggest thing that I gotta tell you guys, and this is a huge thing, is that sometimes the radio frequencies, whenever you guys go to those different areas, is what you guys got to do inside your different areas, which makes it literally the best sustain on so many different areas. Now, right now, what I'm listening to, and you guys probably hear in the background, is right now I'm listening to the Marion County, the Hamilton County, and Madison County radio traffic. And I gotta tell you guys something, the Indianapolis police is getting really interesting on like what they're talking about, on like what they're looking for, and like checking that out too, which is really kind of interesting too. Now, another thing also, which I kind of honestly really do recommend, this is a big thing, which I gotta tell you guys, is that I'm not done playing the division and like showing that you guys live, because I might mix it up with some Madden NFL gameplay. I might mix it up with some other games that I'm thinking about trying too, which is really kind of cool too. Now, now the games that I'm probably not gonna play for quite a while now is like Grand Theft Auto, because Grand Theft Auto was kind of getting difficult at times, which was really kind of interesting. And the biggest thing to know about, if you guys are ever playing to play Grand Theft Auto, and the biggest thing that I gotta tell you guys is like so very important. And the biggest thing that I gotta tell you guys, which is truly the important part about it, is that you guys need to go check out so many different areas, which is literally the biggest thing that I gotta tell you guys, which is honestly the biggest problem that I gotta tell you guys. Now, now, another thing also, which really does crack me up, unlike whenever I watch this guy, the uh, the Majestic Space Cats, it's that this guy does really good job at his police work, which is really good, which makes it really kind of interesting. Like, like, like this server is honestly a really neat server, and this is called SLRP, which is really kind of interesting. In the by all means, by all means, the biggest thing that I gotta tell you guys, which is honestly the interesting part of watching this, is like how much this area does like on their games. Like how good these YouTubers generalize on playing these games, which I watched a couple gameplays of like the Division 2. I watched this guy that I'm watching right now play Star Wars, a little bit of Rainbow Six, which is really kind of interesting too. Now, another thing also that I checked out, which was really kind of interesting too, and the biggest thing that I gotta tell you guys, and this is the biggest thing, which is really kind of interesting too, is that you guys have to use your magic sometimes and like just go with the flow on sometimes these video games. Like whenever I do my games live, if there's a bad comment, I just block them out. That's the thing. Like sometimes if there's even like a bad comment and I give them 3 strikes, like the first strike is just a warning, the second strike, I advise them of like if they keep it up, they're going to be banned. And if they get it on the third strike, I immediately ban them for life. Like, 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 kind of like, honestly, click hide user from my channel. Like, it is that easy. And also, I can literally like click the block button and block them. Like, like, like that's the thing on there, which makes that really kind of interesting. And like the storms that was happening back back yesterday, I feel really thankful for all of our emergency services officers, all of our people that were working during that. Thank you so very much from my family to yours, because you guys do such a great job. And also another thing, also the biggest thing that I gotta tell you guys is honestly just follow your observation, follow your radios, because honestly sometimes whenever you guys are like listening to radio scanners, you guys are trying to figure out like what's going on, you guys are like checking those different places out and like check those out, which is really kind of interesting too. Like 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 on my game, I can find some interesting places on there, which makes that the bestest thing to go check out, which is really kind of interesting. Now, if you guys are local and watching my channel, some that I recommend you guys go check out, and this restaurant is so very good. I recommend it by all means. It's called the Lincoln Square Pancake House. And the Lincoln Square Pancakes House does such a great job, and I honestly really do recommend. So also another thing, you guys, the biggest thing that I gotta tell you guys, and the biggest thing alone from like checking those out is that you guys can look and listen to your radios and just like go check it out, which is really kind of interesting too. So I hope you guys are enjoying today. If you guys are new to my channel, again, if you guys are wanting to watch my channel, please make sure to watch it in YouTube. I will see you guys back here tomorrow. I will try to do a YouTube live just to give you guys a heads up. Alright, guys, that's it. Have a great day in YouTube. I will see you guys back here tomorrow.